Dear customer, welcome to our video show of product introduction. You know, our company have too many kinds of the test kits, especially for car weight lighting. Today, I want to show you one of them. This is car weight lighting, Igg and Igm test case. Colloidal gold. Once you open it, you will see they have 25 test kits inside. Firstly, you have to read the instruction very carefully and strictly execute to the instruction. Each test kit composites of test kit, test card, sample diluent, blood lancet, disposable pipette, alcohol pad, instruction, and the qualified certification. So each test case consists of 7 items. We have 2 kinds of package to meet different demands of our customer, like 25 kinds of package, like this one. 25 test kits in one box. This one is suitable for hospital, school, and some tertiary institute. And another one is individual package. Individual package is suitable for some distributor, which is selling in the supermarket for personal use. This is the difference. So today is a short introduction of our Igm and Igg test case. Next part, we will go to the antigen test case. Thanks for watching.